Welcome. In this video I will show you how to put applications on full screen on MacBook Air M4. For example, let's open the music application, and to put it on a full screen you either have to click the green icon in the top left corner of it and then click it again to demaximize this application. Or instead you can use a shortcut of Fn button and F button pressed together, and then press these two buttons together to demaximize your window. The second way works for macOS Monterey or newer. For more recent macOS you have to use the combination of Command, Control and F. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.